What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. We've got the horse, we've got Gunner. Say hi, Gunner. All right, Gunner, good hi. That was good hi. So a couple days ago, Wes got a little delivery from the guys over at Anzo, and I've been like telling him, Wes, don't open it yet, don't open it yet. We want to do it on camera so we have all like genuine reactions. And if you guys know Wes, like trying to get him not to touch something is very hard, but we have pulled it off. He has not opened it. There's some prototype headlights for the new 2016, I don't know the exact model years, but we're gonna be one of the first to see them, try them. They want us to see how they fit. They want to give a lot of feedback. So we're gonna head over to the warehouse and finally crack this box open that's been sitting there for a while. So herein lies the box in question right there. I think I hear Wes's truck outside. The window's too dark. Damn, dude.
Lunch, man. Damn.
What do we got now?
Chick-fil-A.
How many nuggets?
I got a sandwich.
Just a sandwich? You didn't put like sprinkle some nuggets on top of the sandwich?
Nah, just a sandwich and some fries.
So we've managed to keep Wes's hands off of this for probably 3 days, buddy.
Yeah, right. It's been like a week.
All right, well, sorry. I give you full credit. You've had it for a week. Here you go.
All right.
A moment of truth.
So our good buddies over at SR Designs had made a post on his Instagram, which he always does, looking for vehicles in the SoCal area for some prototyping on different manufacturers that he works with. Put up a post for my year of truck, so I reached out to him, and then Anzo Lighting sent these headlights for my truck. These are supposed to be like one of the first sets of aftermarket headlights for the higher end GM trucks that come with LED from the factory. There's been a few times Anzo have done like releases, but none of them have ever been for the LEDs, which like the high countries and all that come with the LED headlights built in already. So this is the first, it's a prototype. And basically what they want is they want Wes to do a test fit, the packaging, like they want to see how everything turns out in shipment. Because, you know, obviously companies have to build product specific packaging. They want to make sure like it gets to the end user properly and it's installable. So that's kind of what we're doing today. We're gonna verify all the connectors, plug and play, function test of everything, fit and finish, along with,
so obviously,
making sure the packaging.
If you guys have seen anything from Anzo,
I don't think this is the OEM packaging.
Yeah, this is not anything from Anzo.
Disclaimer now, they come individually boxed with foam around them and stuff like that.
So you can definitely tell this is like prototype testing right here. Anzo doesn't just like bubble wrap the crap out of stuff and throw it in a box. Their stuff's usually really well done. Oh, here we go.
This is the first look. This has not been looked at yet. And that is definitely a Sierra. That's a Sierra light. Is it a Sierra light? Or is that they mimicking?
That's what I don't know.
Damn. Alright. Let's cut the video. We should have tested. I knew we should have peeked at this before.
For what?
That definitely looks like a GM light, but it's huge. Because the 1500 and the 2500 light fit. So you're telling me that they did a freaking...
Nah, but hold it up. Like everything's the same. Like look at that little like chinkies right there. That's right there.
Is that your size? No, that's a Sierra.
Here she has got a Silverado pulled apart over there. We can just go mop it up.
Why don't we grab that one too?
All right. Well, so far things are going great. So just so happens Sergio actually has. Yeah, that's not right.
Hey, I'm honestly not mad because I really don't want to pull my front end apart right now.
We're gonna use Sergio's pulled apart vehicle in here. Oh, dude, perfect fit.
Where's the light? Yeah,
that's a little size difference there.
It might be the same plug. It probably is the same plug. We just want to do it for video. See what what these options were.
Whoa, what is this?
It's the same.
Sergio, this thing tells you when it's done charging with a nice song?
Yeah. Yeah, that's the Makita difference.
No, man, Milwaukee doesn't do that.
That's the Japanese national anthem.
No, we're just going to try these things even though they're technically not for the truck.
GM obviously uses the same pigtail here, so plug and play. Oh, you know what? This might not work.
The ground's in the same spot, so
it might not work though, because this truck is it OEM LED or no?
only the daylight.
Well, fuck it. Worst thing can happen is we blow it up. Got insurance, right? IEP is the best in the biz. They said this was going to be a full LED light, but this bulb here is not LED. And what is that?
Version 7.
What is that bulb there? Because the turn signal here, running lights.
Yeah, the running lights.
Projector.
Come on, bro. You got this, Wes.
I don't want to break. Hold on. More turn.
More turn. It should go out by
Maybe you got to put the. There we go. Hey.
What is that, Sergio? You're the.
It looks. Is that LED? It's got a lot of wires going to it.
You're the electrical engineer. It's projector style.
I need to look inside.
Look inside.
I cannot look inside.
Just
Go behind that thing.
Just look inside. It's got a big heat sink on it.
It's probably LED.
No, that's no big heat sink.
That's the bottom right there?
Oh,
No, that metal right here.
Yeah, the bottom
Oh,
looks like
that's
a heat.
here's your converter, low voltage converter.
Built into the cap.
All right, let's see what happens. Hey, they work. We got the LED ring around the outside, the running lights.
Wow.
Got a little amber on the side. Oh,
That's I turn it on.
so that's turn signal. So that's weird that bulb. I wonder if they needed that to be DOT compliant because this one's sequential. Yeah, this one's just marker light.
So turn signal here.
We got turn signal plus the sequential,
Okay.
which is
That's kind of cool.
okay. I mean, I'd rather have
If I had a
this.
Sierra, it'd be pretty cool. Let's try the high.
No, I mean they look cool.
It looks LED though. Yeah, it looks LED.
Oh, it physically moves. Dude,
Oh, it moves?
yeah.
Oh yeah, that's.
So have you ever heard the saying, our luck, or that's my luck? Like, yeah, it's quite the common occurrence around here. All right, well, the day's not a complete bust, even though, yeah, I thought we were gonna be installing some headlights. But regardless, we've got an invitation to go over to a company that manufactures parts for trucks. And by like, we got invited, we're kind of like piggybacking off the fact that Brian's going over there, and hopefully we get to film like the whole process. So we've just arrived at MGP Caliper Covers. Brian, somewhere around here. Thanks for waiting for us, Brian. Hey, there you are, buddy. This place is a lot bigger than it looks.
Damn, look at that mustache.
Damn, they're doing an install too?
They brought that piece of shit in there. Do they not know what kind of liability that thing is? Yeah, right.
Can I start with the fluffy puppy? You do whatever you want. Yeah, the fluffy puppy. Yeah.
Hi, baby.
Oh, Brooks, you want to, hey, hold on, Adrian. It's a little loud in here because they got a bunch of machinery running, but we're gonna do a full tour. What was your name again?
Hotel. My last name's Hotel.
Hotel?
That's my last name.
Like the building you sleep in? No
my
way.
last name.
All right, well, we got a tour from Hotel. That sounds rad. So what exactly do you guys make? It's all caliper covers, right?
Only caliper covers, yeah, for all makes and models, 99 and up. Start with just some aerospace grade aluminum, and it goes into the pressing tools over here. So we form fit for all different types of calipers. There's about like, I think, over 900 different calipers on the market.
Gotcha.
So we form them to that, then we take them into our engraving machines. So computer system, you can see it. This one's got a specific engraving. Put it on the computer machines. It goes in here, and it's just currently being engraved.
Now, you can order custom engraving through your guys' website, right?
Yeah, anything you want basically that we can do, but we'll mock it up for you. Because since it's engraved, we can't get exactly what some people want, super detailed, but we can get close. You guys are all basically just doing the buffing, engraving, take them out, come right out of here. Nice. They get form fitted for whatever caliper you're looking for. All this built up on here on the computer.
It's a hell of an expensive engraver.
Yeah, and then we get them back from paint. They all get painted out. They're engraving. Then they get down here.
So when I'm seeing these two colors, they're already powder coated one color,
Yep.
and then are you guys doing the other color inlay here?
Yeah. So in the engraving, we have this whole team right here does a hand paint fill of whatever color you want to paint it inside your engraving. They do it all by hand, so you can see right here.
I was wondering how they were doing that. That looks
Yeah.
awesome.
So they engrave it, and they hand paint it, and then they wipe it all clean after, and then they let it sit in here, just dry up.
What is it, like an enamel paint, or is it?
I have no idea what paint it is.
Oh, good.
It stays in there for good. So yeah, this sits under here,
Oh, nice.
and the thing back here. Package them and ships them out. There's all of our clips. We have about 5,000 different SKUs, I think.
That's crazy.
So here's how they come.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, just like
That's the
this.
same piece of stock that starts every single one.
Yeah. Well, no, not every single one. No, they're all different sizes
So they're all
based on the
vehicle
part
specific?
number. Yeah, so this one might be for like a Camry because it's a little smaller. Or it might be for the rear. So then they form it, cut it out like this. It gets the perfect formation to cover the whole caliper. Then they stick it into the engraving. This is for SCA. We partner with them. Then goes
That's
to
the
paint.
reason why that SCA package cost 20 grand.
Our CEO just was having a beer and he was making golf clubs for TaylorMade and Callaway. And just looked at his new Denali and was like, man, I wish I could cover up those calipers. They look like shit. And he came up with this tool. He's an aerospace engineer.
So how long have you guys been in business?
We've been in business for over 12 years.
Now I'm hearing some welding going on in there. What's that?
Tons of welding over here. So some of them are pro form, some of them need welding.
Gotcha.
So Yeah, so all these are all the welded ones. Behind the curtain. That's our head engineer. He designs all the new stuff, all the clips, all the covers.
So I'm assuming, obviously, the 2020s you guys are already making stuff for. Like, how long when a new vehicle comes out does it go till you guys have a production item for it?
Well, we try to get it before. So we have a big partnership with SEMA. So we're able to go up to their garage and see a lot of the calipers, do the 3D printing of them, get all the mold, get all the measurements, and then we actually go out to some dealerships that we have partnerships with around here, and they give us their car to just put up on a jack, and then we have to do all the custom fitting every year. And there's a lot of models and sub-models. We try to get them all, and then if we don't have it, we offer people the opportunity to come here and bring their car here, and we'll give them a free set of covers if they let us do the development.
Well, how'd this guy con you into letting him bring his truck over here?
This guy conned my social media manager, and she told me we ought to have this truck in here to get some covers on it for free.
There you go.
So yeah, it worked out great.
Yeah, so what's the cheapest model all the way to like the most expensive?
So the cheapest model is just our plain red plastic covers. For two of them, I think it's $110 just for two if you just want the front. For all four, it's $199, and then they go up to $515. That's with a custom paint match or any paint you want and any engraving you want with color inside that engraving.
Gotcha.
$515 is the max.
What kind of turnaround do you guys have? Like
for that custom one, it's like 10 business days.
10 business days.
Yeah, for just your basic ones, it's anywhere from 3 to 5 days.
What is the majority of your business? Because I see like you've got some warehousing over there, but it seems like everything we looked at was like all the custom stuff.
Yeah.
Do you guys sell like, is it 50-50 custom to production, or do you sell more production versus the custom stuff?
We sell, yeah, dude, it's 55, 45.
Gotcha.
License stuff, so we have licensing agreements with Ford, GM, Honda, Acura. So they gave us their logos to use. We give them a royalty.
Right.
So a majority of our stuff goes there to those guys.
Gotcha.
So a lot of people, it's about 40. Maybe it's about 40% custom.
Vending machines opened up.
Yeah.
You got
You're good.
the customer card. You got the.
You need $1, Wes?
No, you guys break them open.
Oh, are you thirsty?
I'm always thirsty, apparently.
So Brian's over here today getting his custom caliper covers. He's got the diamond in the back, obviously Diamond Z71 with the diamond white on his truck. And then the front ones say Diamond Z71. They're fitting a couple different ones on here just for pictures. This is more for like a promo shoot for them of what they're doing. And then of course you got his beautiful Workport hitch cover all done in the blue, and then color match the diamond white to match the truck again. These are the front Diamond Z71 ones going on. So it's literally just the two little nuts on there, huh? Or two bolts?
Yeah, only 2 bolts on it.
So install is super easy. I actually had a set of these on my truck for SEMA that SR Design sent out for the BBB. The reason I took them off is they actually didn't match the truck. They were red. I think Sean just had a bunch of them made reds. So they're doing some promo shots of Brian's truck right now. I've got my new buddy here. George, you want to come hang out with us at our shop? I don't know, see if he bites him. Nah, he don't like it. Wes, you pet my finger, man, not George.
Sorry.
Jeez, guy, it ain't like that. So MGP was nice enough to give away, obviously they made a couple sets here to do a nice photo shoot on Brian's truck. He's got his custom Diamond Z71 covers on there. But we are going to be doing a giveaway of 2 sets of Chevrolet caliper covers. Brian, what do they got to do, buddy?
They gotta go to my Instagram, Diamond_Z71, and follow the contest rules for the giveaway.
Well, we made it back to the warehouse. Huge thank you to everybody over at MGP for kind of giving us a grand tour and letting us run a little bit wild in that place. I do want to let you guys know we've got the blue collar goods shirts back in stock. We've got the 3%er back in stock, the Earn Never Given, and we're basically spending this entire week getting all of our inventory back in stock for shirts. Hats we do have ordered, and we should hopefully have them in a couple of weeks. I'm not 100% sure. Key tags will be back in stock very, very soon. Also, we've got a couple new shirt designs coming out that hopefully by the time this video goes live, they will be up on the website. If not, they'll be there very soon. So considering Considering today started off with like a complete curveball and we had to go take the video in a different direction, I think it turned out pretty good. So with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now, though you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, get a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.